Hi, do you want to make a wall cycle like this in Prisma 3D? Well, I got that. This is my first animation tutorial video in Prisma 3D, so don't throw tomatoes at me. Yes, I don't have moon animator or something. Okay? Okay, so first we are going to learn how to import the dummy.obj. So click on new project. Now scroll down and then you will see import. Click on it. Click on files. And here you should scroll down till you see dummy.obj. I have a dummy.prisma, so let me use it with where is it? Yeah, dummy.prisma. This is gonna take a while and it is done. So now you have to learn how to fix the pivot because you can see the problem. Okay, so click on modeling and here click on all the parts. First this one, press center. Okay, press center. You're gonna need to press center and then you can make the pivot to however you like. So let me just create the pivot. Okay, so we are done with the arms. As you can see it that's good. Let me show you. Yep. Okay, so now comes the legs. You have to make it go up like this so that it rotates like this. Okay, and same for this leg. Okay, in the torso you have to press center like this so that it just rotates like how it should. Oh wait, wrong one. So I have actually two parts. So dummy.obj, press center on the dummy.obj and then click it again. As you can see there's another one, so click on center again. Lol, let me fix this. I think this is the correct. Okay. For the head, oh god, why am I grouping it? For the head, you have to press center and then go down like here and boom. So now it's time for the animation. So what you have to do here is click on the dummy.obj, press this plus button, okay, and then you will see create and character animations. You don't have to use character animations, you have to create one by yourself. So let's press create. So now add one keyframe here and do it with all the parts. Okay, we are done now. Now it's time to pose it. Okay, so move the other arm like this, rotate it, move it again. Lol. Move it. So it should look like this, and then the other leg should look like this. Wait. Okay, let me fix this real quick. You don't have to swing the arm that much. Okay, so for the leg it should be oh my god, the arms, dude, the arms. Oh, the arms are actually so annoying, dude. Yep, they are so annoying. Let me rotate it. Okay, so we are done with this. Rotate it like this, and the other leg should be also rotated like this. So it's not that. Here, as you can see, this is the arm, so this leg should go forward. Okay, so let me make it real quick. Okay, so I think this is the right one. So now you see there are 2 points. I mean, a lot of them, total 5 of them points. So go on the second point add one keyframe here, and then move this leg like this so that it matches with the other leg. Also with this one, this should not match with the other leg because you have to do the opposite of it, whatever. Okay, I think this is the right one. If you all think this is the wrong one, then okay, that's good. You can try the animations also. So now do the same thing with the arms like this. This is kinda hard for a new player, I mean new animator, but you will get used to it anyways. Okay, this arm is done, so time for this leg. So it should be rotated like this, and then we will do whatever we can. We are done, and this is how the animation looks like for now, but trust me, it will be better. So go on the middle one, and then as you can see, this leg is going forward. So what you have to do here is add one keyframe here on the leg, and then rotate it like this. Make it look like the dummy.obg is launching, whatever you can say. Sorry, it should be like this, and then you should try it. And as you can see, it's swinging weirdly. Well, that's okay. So here you see, count to two lines, I mean three, two, I mean 1, 2, and then here this is the third one. So you have to add one keyframe here, and then rotate it, move it upwards. Okay, and now try the animation. As you can see, it looks good now. And wait, let me. The leg was kind of too up. Anyways, here's how it looks like. Now what you have to do is rotate the torso. I mean dummy.obg. So let me rotate it a bit like this, so that it's like a walk animation, because the torso has to be animated. Anyways, after it is done, what you have to do here is click on this one again, go to the next point, and then rotate it like this, move it upwards, go downwards. This is how it looks like. And with the other leg, you should go like this, rotate it, and then may move it. That's how it looks like now. This is smooth kind of. Go in the torso, you should rotate it like this, only a bit downwards, not that much. Okay, this is how it looks like now. Also go on the arms, add a keyframe on the point, rotate it. What we are going to do is make it swing more. So let's try the animation. Wait, it needs more swing. Lol. I think this is the correct one. Yep. Alright, add another one. Oh my god, why am I sounding so weird? Wait, let me fix it. Okay, I was sitting wrong. Lol. move it like this, then rotate it, move it so that it doesn't mess up, and then it should look like this. Move it again. This is how it looks like now. Something is wrong. Let me real quick fix this. Yep, I am doing too much arm swinging and too much rotating. Alright, we are done now. Here's how the animation looks like. So now you have to mirror it. Okay, mirror it, maybe opposite one, whatever. Okay, we are done now, and I did a few mistakes. The first was that I didn't rotate it, and then the second was that I have to make it go upwards a bit, but I don't think it should need to go upwards. So it should hop a lot, but for the sake of the animation, we have to do it. Make it go upwards a bit, whatever. It's all free for you. Anyways, so you have to do the same middle thing with this one, but what is the change is that you have to go like this because it is a bug now. Whatever, you can just straight up add one here. It's not like it's wrong or something. Wait, I forgot to go on the leg lol. I'm having too many misunderstandings. Oh my god. I should get an award for misunderstandings. Lol. Here's how it looks like now. Also, you should fix it. This is a common mistake. So let me just fix this real quick. Alright, we are done. So that's how the animation looks like for now. So this is how I did it. You have to do the same thing with this. So let me do this real quick. Also, you also have been noticed that. Alright, I was AFK for a while. Anyways, you should rotate it and make it go upwards. Also move it, okay? So that's how it looks like now. So you have to do the same thing you did, and I messed up with the leg again. Wow. Yep. I'm a noob. Alright, this is how it looks like for now. Add one keyframe here and then rotate it like this. And for the other leg, you have to do the same with the previous one. Rotate it like this, move it like this, just like this. What the heck? Anyway, this is how your animation should look like. The other leg. Wait, there's a few problems I spotted. Alright, I think this is done. I'm doing a lot of mistakes, so don't do it. You can just straight up fix it. Don't too much revolve on me, okay? And that's not good. Alright, add one keyframe here. You just have to straight up just mirror it. One thing I'm going to tell you all in the end of the video, so don't miss it. And if you will miss it, it is gonna mess up your animation lol. What the hell? Okay, this is how it should look like. And why am I in scale mode, dude? What the fuck? Alright, all good. So you now have to do the same thing with the other one. So let me just do it real quick. Okay guys, so we are done with this one. So what do we have to do here is you see this is the first one. You can see the problem here. So what you have to do is press copy and then paste it here, and then do the same thing again. And after you have fixed it, this is how the animation should look like. So what you have to do is now, the hell, you can make some changes for the arm, because you see here the arm should be different, so you can make some suitable changes. Also you should also make some suitable changes for the head, because it's not animated. So this is how it should look like. The head is you can fix that, okay?